Believers Radio. Believers, we got it. Hey yo, welcome back again to Believers Records, the show where we drop your heat every 4 times of the week. So guys, in today's video, I'll be walking you through this Big Sean Hiphop Drumkit straight up from, Detroit. It's crazy, man. I'm telling you, crazy sounds in here as always, man. Yeah, I know what's going on in Believers Records, man. We always kill it, innit? So before we move any further, I would like to give you that daily reminder. If you're new here, kindly subscribe to the channel. It surely does help us a lot. And be sure to hit the notification bell so you can get notified every time I drop you some heat. And also, if you like this video, you can go ahead and give it a thumbs up. So man, I have some nice goodies for you to actually look forward to. So I have some 808s, I have some claps, I have some hi-hats, I have some kicks, I have some midis, I have some percussion, I have some snares, nicely processed as always, man. So before we continue, I would like to mention that I do offer mixing and mastering services. So if you guys are down for that, just hit me up. Or maybe if you guys just want to talk about music, just reminiscing, or maybe you just want advice or anything, I would never say no to a brother. So just hit me up, man, and we'll talk. So I just wanted you to know that. So let's go ahead and jump into today's business. So there's not so many midis here, 3 midis to inspire you a little bit. So I'm gonna go ahead and start off with the midis, then we head back to the rest of the stuff. Believers Radio. So I'm gonna use a BPM of 85. Nice. All right, let's hear it. That's the first, second MIDI. That was the second MIDI, the last MIDI. So that's it for the midis, man. So let's go ahead and move on to the rest of the stuff. So the drums, innit? So the 808s. Claps. Hi-hats. All right, the kicks. The percussion. All right, the snares. Yeah, that's it for the sauce, man. That's it for the sauce, bro. So yeah, so link in the description down below as always. Should it be it should be, sorry for that. It should be pretty much, straightforward. So you shouldn't be, getting any problems downloading this. But in case that happens, just hit me up with my number and I'll help you with that. So yeah, so that's it, man. So make crazy banging beats for this, and I'm gonna see you on the next one. Stay safe. Namaste, one love. Goodbye.